Alright, okay guys, welcome to part 2 on our last tutorial. We're going to finish that program, and then if you haven't watched the previous tutorial of case statements, please visit it and then come back to this one. Let's continue guys, as I was saying. And then after writing your menu here, your details inside your menu, go ahead and write the break keyword each and at the end of every lines inside a case statement, so that your program, if you press 1, it will display these lines of code here, print them on the screen, and then break outside the switch or the case statement and come right at the end here, to avoid what? To avoid displaying everything. Because if I don't include this line, this keyword here, and then I remove it, when I press 1, it will come here and say 1, and then display after that, after 1, it will display this and then skip to the end, to the default statement here. And then when it meets this break statement, that's when it's gonna go outside the case or the switch function. So okay, let me just run it to show you what I'm talking about. Build and run, so that you'll see what will happen. Now if I run it and then enter option, I enter 1, check what it does. You see, I pressed 1, but then it does what? It shows every category: Benz, BMW, Mazda, even the default statement, or like that one at the end, or under the default keyword. You see, it writes everything. Now to avoid this from happening, go ahead and write break, so that it will break outside. After selecting it, will run, display this line, display this one, and print them, then break outside to show that okay, I've selected my option, this is what I wanted to see, and then it will skip this other part. Okay, now let's go ahead and include it. Just copy it and I'm going to paste it. That's a skill of a programmer that every programmer should learn. Copy and paste, it saves time. So yeah, in other words, I can say this is our complete simple program of case statements. This is our menu, and then this is where the case statement gets in, like this. Remember when I said case 1 is associated with this line here, case 2 is associated with this category. Now let's go ahead, build and run, and test if the output or our program is running accordingly. Now as you can see, menu 1 for Benz, 2 for BMW. Now enter your option. I enter 1 to check if it will show me the car models under Benz category. Pressed 1, okay, there we go. Benz AMG 663, AMG G34, which is correct. Now let me add some few things on our program for a nice output. I'm just gonna say see out and live here, and then copy and paste down here. I copy using a keyboard, Control C. I know you know those basic shortcuts. Then Control V for paste at the end for nice output. Now let's go build again and run. Now we're going to check if I press 2, it will show the car models of BMW. On top option, I press 2. There we go. Dolphin Cusheshe 325. Okay, cool. And then let me just test the last one, the one for Mazda. Option is number 4. I want to view models under Mazda, like car models of Mazda, which is our category 4. And then enter. Okay, there we go. Mazda 3 and CX3, which means our case statement is correct. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how I write a case statement. Now let's go ahead and see if our default statement is also working. It will print car model is not available if I choose any other option except these ones here. Let me go ahead and choose number 6. Okay, because number 6 is not on our menu. So by default, if I choose number 6, it should tell me that the car model is not available. Let's go ahead and press enter. Car model not available. Cool. Guys, this is how I write a case statement. Now what I want you to do, I want you guys to write your own program, or you can still use this one, but what I want you to change is this data type here. Use a char. Go and use a char data type, and then test yourself and see how it works, how you gonna do, how you do it when you're using other data variables except int. And don't forget, just a hint, don't forget to include the string library here, the one for hash include string. And then yeah, go and do it. And then if you get challenges, please comment and I will respond. Okay guys, this is how we write the key statement, and I hope you have learned it and then you're going to master it, because this is the simplest way of writing if else statement when you have a question that have options. So yeah, up until we meet next time, ladies and gentlemen, goodbye.